Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, each with its own features, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. 4 interchangeable blades, effortlessly julienne, chop, and slice vegetables with Fullstar's cooking gadgets. Built-in chop lid lets you cut foods directly into the 1.2L collection tray without the mess of a knife and cutting board. Storage container lets you hold prepared vegetables in the Fullstar Vegetable Cutter until you are ready to begin cooking. This 7-piece set can make great cooking gifts for women and men. Rust-resistant cooking gadgets. Rust-resistant heavy-duty 420 stainless steel retains razor sharpness for crisp, smooth cutting and grating. Blades snap in and out with ease. Cut potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more. Give the perfect kitchen gifts for women and men. A soft grip handle with rubberized tips enhances leverage, while the non-skid base ensures stability during use. Slice, dice, chop, and cut fruits and vegetables safely and easily, in half the time. BPA-free. This compact chopper measures just 10.63 L x 4.72 H x 4.48 W. It can be fully disassembled for easy cleaning on the top shelf of your dishwasher. Read the manual carefully. Please read the instruction manual provided with the Fullstar food chopper closely before use. If you have any questions or issues regarding the chopper, please do not hesitate to send the seller a message through Amazon and we will respond within 24 hours. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.